Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Qazi Muhammad Afnan.
Afnan. Afnan, what's the meaning of this name?
This name is the meaning of a tree branch.
Okay. What class do you study?
I study in grade 3.
Well, what's the name of your school?
The name of my school is DPS STS Dhaka.
Great. Where do you live?
I live in Uttar Dhaka.
Why are you here today?
I'm here to celebrate my holiday with my friends.
Well, how many friends do you have?
I have maybe over 10.
Great. So you are spending a great time.
Yes.
What have you done?
So this afternoon I went swimming, then I ate lunch and I had lots of fun.
You know how to swim?
Yes.
Well, what types of food have you taken?
For lunch I ate fried rice with chicken fry, and for dinner I ate rice with chicken. I also like vegetables like bhotta, suppose like mishti kumma, which is pumpkin, and ladyfingers.
Do you read storybooks?
Not usually. Sometimes I read if I want to.
Do you watch movie?
Yes. My favorite movie is Jawan, which is an Hindi movie.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Math. Is it easy?
Yes, it's very easy.
Well, who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Rumki ma'am.
Tell me what qualities you think a teacher should have.
A teacher should teach children some better education. They should teach us life lessons, and that's what all I know.
Like you said about Rumki ma'am, so what qualities you find that she has?
She gives good education. She makes comedy with education. Like Mr. 1 plus Mr. 2 equals 3.
In this way she teaches.
Yes, like
That's
in a
why-
funny way.
So you like funny things, right?
Yes.
You don't want to be so serious about study or something. You just want to get it with a happily
Yes,
you want to
happy
get it.
and also serious.
Okay.
I can handle anything.
Mashallah, mashallah. Like you are talking without nervousness, I think. You are confident.
Yes, I'm very confident.
Alhamdulillah, that's great. Thank you. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Welcome.